Welcome to Art Appeals. Today we are painting a pretty bookmark using watercolors. The step is preparing the bookmark sheet by applying masking tape at the edges. I am painting windows surrounded by flowers today. So first I will paint a flowery effect using watercolors. I am using two different shades of green to achieve a sense of light and dark leaves in this area. This is the part which will be our window, so I am trying to paint curtains with blue color here. After adding two layers of same shade, I am painting the wooden edges of the window. You can use any shade of brown. To make it little rustic, you can add a bit of black color and mix it well. As details of curtain, I am creating this impression of pleats on our curtain. Adding little bit of black to add the shadow. Adding a final layer of blue color as I wanted to make this little vibrant. Now, as the layer of green leaves has dried, I am now creating an impression of realistic leaves using my fine liner brush. Now to paint the wall structure, first of all we will paint the whole background with brown shade. Until the brown shade layer dries up, I will now add some flowers to complete this part. I am using red, purple, yellow and orange colors to add flowers. Now using flat brush, I am creating an effect of exposed bricks using the dark brown color. And that's it. This is how we paint a pretty bookmark using a few basic watercolor shades. At the end, to add the personalized touch, I am adding a coat too. And it's done. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.